We have selected the most impressive projects in Abu Dhabi from the developers for you, and now we will briefly describe each project.
New York University, and our project located is just 5 minutes to Marina. Hi guys, my name is Ekaterina Nikitina and you are on our channel Nevestate, where we are talking about the most interesting projects in UAE. And today we are in Abu Dhabi in the sales office of the developer, and I'm gonna show you the project located in the cultural island Saadiyat. So let's go and see what is inside. Today I'm gonna tell you about a wonderful project located in Abu Dhabi. Now I'm in the sales office of the developer and would like to show you and give you more information. So by the way, if you're interested or you would like to get more details, just don't hesitate to contact us. You will find all contact details just beneath the video. And we're gonna start actually from the location, because of course it's the most important part if you're looking for investment or for your own use. This is Saadiyat Island. It's a cultural island. It's very close actually to the center of Abu Dhabi, and also it's a well-known place for its sandy beaches. It's one of the best beaches not only in Abu Dhabi but in the UAE general. So here we have this cultural district, Louvre Museum, which is already operating for many years, Guggenheim Museum, Zayed National Museum, and some other cultural places such as Madarat Al Saadiyat, and all cultural life is happening here in Saadiyat. We have 5-star hotels in this part. Here it's a villas community called Lagoons, and in this part we have New York University, and our project located is just 5 minutes to Marina. So really it's a very good investment. If you're looking for a project for your personal living also, I think it's a very good option. So there are no sharp corners inside, and it gives you, the feeling that you are actually on your private yacht and overlooking to the sea, the landscape of Abu Dhabi and a marina. So guys, let's move to the miniature. Here we have New York University just on the back side, and here we have Marina. The space for the amenities are quite generous. We have here paddle courts, parking space, kids play area, greenery. We have retail. We have also gym, swimming pool. As I said, most of the units are already sold out, but we have Penthouse. We have 1 bedroom and we have 3 bedroom. 1 bedroom, 100 square meters, and the price starts at 2.6 million dirhams. Here we have 3 bedroom apartments, this part and this part. We have 3 bedroom apartments starting from 5.6 million dirhams, and the square meter it's 250. And we have a penthouse, which is here 2-floor penthouse. It's overlooking to Marina, it's overlooking to New York University. It's 2-floor with really huge terraces and balconies where you can enjoy the view. Price is 9.5 million dirhams, about 500 square meters. If you are talking about the finishes, you can choose, as I said, one it's more nude, one it's a little bit more gray. So, as I said, it's all materials are natural.
I'm 100% sure it will be one of the hottest places in UAE because of everything, because of the environment, because of the sea, because of the clinic, because of the concept of the project. So this is Jacob & Co apartments, one of my favorite projects in the area. And I love to tell about this project to my clients and why this project is so attractive and what is an advantage if you invest in this project, or you buy for yourself. So this is the first line of the Gulf, the Long Beach, which is available, which access will be only for the residents of Ahana, Jacob and Co, for residents of the apartments and residents of the villas. So there is a massive infrastructure in the project. So you can see many sport grounds, pools for adults and kids. You can have a promenade along the beach. You will have some retail spaces with restaurants or maybe some boutiques. And actually, if you are interested in commercial property, these retail spaces are for sale. So please let us know if you're interested in purchasing this space for maybe organizing a restaurant. So here is some lounges and some places for relaxation. And here you can see sports ground for paddle, for tennis, and big pool. And all this area not available for the cars. It's only for walking. And this kids ground, the project you can see in the shape of J and C, which connects with the brand Jacob and Co. There are studios, 1 bedroom, 2 bedroom, 3 bedroom apartments, 4 bedroom penthouses, and 3 bedroom duplexes with pools on the terrace. There will be strong connection with brand Jacob and Co, because it will be branded lounge zone, will be branded like business lounge club and cigar club. There will be massive lobby with 8 meters ceiling high and with a huge watches on the ceiling high. And there will be lounges with a direct sea view, and there will be bars and spa and Russian banya, and there will be quite a couple of quite famous brands of restaurants and actually banya and spa center. You will have direct access to the community Al-Jab, which is here, with infrastructure, access to infrastructure, to mall, sport grounds, to the international school and kindergarten and so on. And also there is a road which runs to the artificial island where will be Shah Clinic, the famous clinic originally from Spain. And this is the only clinic in the Middle East, and the residents of Ahana, Jacob and Co will have access to this clinic. You can see this, the community is spread between 2 sides of the canal, and here is there will be villas and there will be apartments and villas as well. So the connection between 2 parts of the community will be via this pedestrian bridges. It's very convenient to get from one side to another. Also there will be golf cars for more convenient moving between among the community. Of course, we like when we can see the sea from our windows, but still, some apartments will have view to this part of the community. There will be green area, and also there is a place of the old palace of the Sheikh Zayed. This is under refurbishment at the moment, and it will be kind of cultural center and center for events, and it will be a small museum dedicated to this part of the history of the United Arab Emirates.
The project is being carried out by a development company that has been operating in the market for over 29 years. That's why they have vast experience and focus specifically on building hotel apartments. Let's talk more about the location, because this is the most important aspect that matters both for investment and for living. Four Seasons Private Residences is located in the center of Saadiyat Island, right on the first coastline. There are only 60 villas and 56 residences in total, and it is managed directly by Four Seasons. All residents will have access to a private beach, cabanas, and sun lounges. Right by the water. The project is located just a few minutes away from the cultural center, the Louvre, the Guggenheim Museum, and the Sheikh Zayed National Museum. You can reach any point in Abu Dhabi in just 30 minutes. whether it's the international airport or Yes Island. Full of entertainment. Everything you need for a comfortable life you will definitely find in this project. From a paddle court, tennis court, yoga area to relaxation zones. What else is remarkable about this project? A 50-meter swimming pool. The community is also pet-friendly. Within the residence, you'll have services for dogs such as grooming, which isn't available everywhere. On the first shoreline, there are 7-bedroom villas. Behind them on the second line are 6-bedroom villas with their own pools, which also feature large terraces and high ceilings. You will find the residences in the center of the project. Low-rise buildings, only 5 stories high. On the ground floor, there will be restaurants and cafes. At the Four Seasons private residences, all concierge services will be available. Each resident will be a member of the Four Seasons Club and will receive special offers worldwide. As we all know, the value of real estate is greatly influenced by the neighborhood. Next to the Four Seasons private residences is the Sheikh's Palace, as well as villas that were sold for 400 million dirhams. On this model, you can take a closer look at the 5-bedroom villa. Each villa and residence comes fully finished, fully furnished, and equipped with appliances. The number of parking spaces provided corresponds to the number of rooms. The 6-bedroom villas will have a partial sea view, while the 7-bedroom mansions will have a full, unobstructed view of the water. You can choose the finishing materials in either light or dark tones. The payment plan is very flexible. There is only a 20% down payment and then 5% every 6 months. During the construction period, you pay 50% of the property value and the remaining 50% upon handover of the keys. This way, all investors can resell the property after having paid 60% of its value. This is an excellent opportunity to earn during the construction phase, since all projects are in high demand. Properties on the first line show more than 20% annual value growth. Leave your requests under this video as soon as possible, and I will be happy to answer all your questions and reserve the best villa or apartment for you.